Hello, welcome to our classes. I'm Dr. K.K. Misra. This video tutorial is on multiple choice questions on principles of management. This is part 13. Now come to the question. Question number 1. Non-programmed decision is also called dash. Correct option is C here, strategic decisions. 2. Programmed decision is also known as, correct option is D, operative decisions. 3. The decision which has long-term impact on business is dash. Correct option is B, non-programmed decision. Fourth, the decision which relates to day-to-day operation of an organization is known as dash. Correct option is D, operative decision. 5. The decision which does not incur any expenses is known as dash. Correct option is C, non-economic decision. 6. The decision which is implemented within the concerned department is known as dash. Correct option is B, departmental decision. 7. Decision taken by a committee formed by the top management for a specific purpose is dash. Correct option is A, group decision. 8. Crisis decision is also known as, correct option is D, spot decision. 9. A decision taken to meet unexpected situations is known as dash. Correct option is B, crisis decision. 10. The authority flows from top to bottom through the structure of an organization is dash. Correct option is B, the formal authority theory. 11. Which theory is also called traditional authority theory? Correct option is B, the formal authority theory. 12. If the subordinates do not accept the command of their superior, then the superior cannot be said to have any authority over them is given in, correct option is A, the acceptance of authority theory. 13. The type of authority is invested in the persons by virtue of the office held by them is dash. Correct option is C, the competence theory. 14. The process whereby a manager shares his work and authority with his subordinates is dash. Correct option is C, delegation. 15. The subordinate is granted authority to perform all the functions in his department or division is dash. Correct option is A, general delegation. 16. The orders, instructions or direction are delegated to a particular person, specifically is known as dash. Correct option is C, specific delegation. 17. When authority is delegated as per the organization structure, it is called, correct option is A, formal delegation. 18. When an individual or a group agrees to work under the direction of an informal leader is called, correct option is B, informal delegation. 19. Delegation made by written orders and instruction is known as, correct option is B, written delegation. 20. Departmentation on the basis of activities grouped according to the type of customer is dash. Correct option is D, departmentation by customers. 21. The process of dividing the large monolithic functional organization into small and flexible administrative units is called, correct option is C, departmentation. 22. Departmentation is a part of the dash. Correct option is A, organization process. 23. Banks, insurance companies and distribution agencies are examples of dash. Correct option is C, department by territory. 24. Departmentation on the basis of the production process is called dash. Correct option is A, equipment department. 25. The term span of management is also known as dash. Correct option is B, span of control. 26. The number of subordinates that report directly to a single supervisor is dash. Correct option is A, span of supervision. 27. Few subordinates report directly to a manager is, correct option is D, narrow of span of management. 28. Large number of subordinates report to a manager is dash. Correct option is A, wide span of management. 29. Making assignments, issuing orders and instructions, providing guidance and inspiration to subordinates is known as directing. So correct option is C. 30. Motivation based on force of fear is called dash. Correct option is A. Negative motivation. So this was all about this particular video tutorial. I hope you have liked it, and if you have liked it, please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel R Classes and press the bell button and pass it on to others, those who are needy now and in the future. Thank you. Please share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Best of luck.